Get a nice circle. Oh, watch out for Delilah.
Why?
Kick, kick, kick. Atta girl. Steer this way, make a nice circle. Very good. Oh, keep him going. Very good. Let's do one more stop. Oh, make him walk first. Good, now let's ask him to stop. Whoa. Good boy. And hands forward. Good. Kick him.
Good steer.
Good boy.
Is it?
Yeah,
Oh,
with the
good
boy.
steering, Delilah.
You mean Aaliyah?
Aaliyah, whoever you are.
Steer him this way. Good work. Can you ask him to stop? Whoa. Good work. Let's ask him to walk straight again. Very good. Steer him this way. Don't crash. Keep steering this way. Look where you're going. Very good. Don't hit the stool and don't hit us.
Okay.
Kick him a little bit. Good work. Steer him this way or that way. Can you ask him to stop again, Aaliyah?
The boy,
Whoa.
his nickname is Crash.
Good boy.